Looking for a place to study? UVic Libraries has got you covered. Keep watching to learn where and when study spaces are available and how to book one. Library study spaces are available at Bibliocafe, Mern Center McPherson Library, and at the Law Library. Check out details on the hours and number of spots available on the UVic Libraries website under Book a Study Space. Booking a space is easy. Step 1. Click the link to request a booking. Decide which location you would like to book and click to book now. Step 2. Sign in with your Netlink ID. You will be directed to a request form, which will ask for contact details and booking information. Read the Safe Study Space guidelines and submit your request. Step 3. Before leaving home, please complete a daily health screen. If you are sick, contact us to cancel your booking. Step 4. Remember to bring a mask and your One card with you and check in with staff at the library door when you arrive. Have questions? Email askus@uvic.ca. We are here to help.